Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in Bank of Melbourne internet banking account on PC. Bank of Melbourne offers personal, business and corporate banking as well as wealth management services. To log in Bank of Melbourne internet banking account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.bankofmelbourne.com.au. AU stands for Web Code of Australia. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Bank of Melbourne. You can see logon option at top right section. Click on logon option. Then click on internet banking at first. With that, here you'll be taken to the log on page of your internet banking. Now here you need to first enter your card number or customer access number on the given box. If you don't remember your card number or customer access number, then you can click on forgotten. With that, select the issue number. After doing so, enter your security number on the given box. If you don't remember your security number, then click on forgotten option. With that, click on remember me if you want to save the time logging in. It is not recommended on public or shared devices. With that, enter your internet banking password. If you forgot your password, then you can click on forgotten. Now once view through terms and condition, as by logging in, you agree to those terms and condition. After doing all this process, click on the option of log on. With that, you'll be able to sign in to your account. This is how we can log in Bank of Melbourne internet banking. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.